Hey guys, you're welcome to my channel. This is Coach Samantha 001. So, can you imagine going outside and leaving your USB cable at home? Or maybe your charging port is bad. And then you want to actually send something from your phone to your system or from your system to your phone. How do you do that? Okay, so please relax. I have actually made a video, and this video is going to show you how to transfer files from your system to your phone, from your phone to your system, I mean your computer, without the use of USB cable, without transferring through Bluetooth. So what else? Let's get right in. Let me show you how to do that quickly. Please, if this video is helpful, I need you to hit on the subscribe button, like this video, drop a comment. I need the algorithm to show this video to as many people as possible.
Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to go on your app store, whether it is Google App Store, whatever device you're using, you know how to find your app store. So you get on your app store and look for this particular application, Wi-Fi FTP server. Look at the logo here. When you download it first, the second thing you need to do is to turn on your PC. Then you give this access on Wi-Fi. That is, turn on the hotspot on your phone and then connect the Wi-Fi on your system. That is the second thing you need to do. And then once that is connected, you will now come back to the app on your phone and put it on, click on start. Immediately you click on start, you're going to see server URL. Okay, so this is the beginning. Once you find the server URL, take note of this number. This is the number you're going to enter on your phone. So I'm going to take you right into my PC screen now, my laptop screen, to show you the continuation of the remaining part of this video. And you have to watch this video to the end, because the ending part is also going to show you how to transfer from your own system back to your phone. Okay, so let me take you to my screen now. I am on my laptop screen now. To continue the setup, you come to your File Explorer. Open your File Explorer. When you open your File Explorer, you go to this PC. You right click. When you right click, you click on Add a Network Location. When you click on Add Network Location, you click on Next. Tap on Next again, and then you are going to enter the address. Remember the URL address on your phone. You are going to type it in carefully. Okay, FTT FTP. Then when you type that, what you have on your phone, you click on Next. You can see anonymous. You are going to let it log on anonymously. Allow it to be there and just click on Next. So when you tap on Next, you click on Finish. Okay, you can see this is my phone. This is my phone. All right, this is my phone gallery. Everything in my phone, my documents. This is my phone in here. So I want to copy a video, okay, into my system now. What I'll do is I'll click on movies. You know, you have to look at your own device, how you save things. Now, the video I need is under InShot. So I'll click on InShot, and then the video I'm looking for is this particular one. So I'm going to place my cursor there, right click and click on copy. Now I want to paste what I just copied on my desktop, so I can find it easily. Okay, so I'll just take my cursor to any part of the screen, and then I'll right click it again and then click on paste. So you are going to see it as the last item once it is done copying. Okay, it's as simple as that. We have actually completed the entire setup now. So I'm waiting for this video to to complete the download, and then I'll click open for you to see. I have been using this method. It is very simple. Look at it here. That is it. This is this where you are seeing my arrow now, my cursor now. That is the video I just copied. Okay, and then if I want to play this video for you, I will go down to my desktop. Yeah, let me get to my desktop screen to show you that video that I just copied. Look at it here. Let me play it. That is the video I just copied. So now to copy from your system to your phone, yeah, this is your phone, remember? This number here represents your phone that you connected through the server URL.
So what you now do is to scroll down to pick whatever from your system you wanted to copy from, whether the file location is under desktop, documents, downloads, music, videos, pictures, whatever it is, or on your local disk, whatever it is. So let's say I want to take something from my desktop. Let me open InShot for an instance, and then look for an image or a video. This is a video. Okay, so what I'll do is to need something smaller in megabyte. Okay, this one is a bit smaller. So you keep your cursor and then you right click and click on copy. Then you scroll up here using this arrow to find the particular URL you just connected. Remember, this URL can expire anytime. Okay, so after today, if you come back tomorrow, it has expired. You start the process over again, just like this one down here has expired. Let me show you the one I connected yesterday. This one has expired. This number is no longer the same. So what I'll do is to come and delete it. I forgot to delete that. You can be deleting them off. Okay, if you don't, they will remain there and they are not useful. Okay, so now remember I copied this video and now I want to paste it in my device, my phone device. So I tap that open and then I come to my folders. Look at my folders here, my phone's folders. Whether I want to place it on DCM, want to keep it on movies, anywhere or any of your folder that you locate on your phone. I want to keep it on DCIM. So I tap open and then keep my cursor on the open space, right click and then click on paste. All right, look at that video is copying, right? So I do not need this video on my device. I'm going to cancel it. This is just the last process, okay? When you get on your phone, you are definitely going to find it, the video right on the folder you put it, right? So it is as simple as that. So always remember to start the process. Please, if this video is helpful, I need you to hit on the subscribe button, like this video, drop a comment to support me. And by doing so, the algorithm definitely is going to push this video to as many people who actually need them or who actually need it. Yeah. Thank you very much and see you in my next update.